Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So before I get this video started, I'm going to announce the winner of the McTuning Rocklight giveaway. So I have this random comment picker website up right now, and I'm going to go ahead and see who it picks. Whoever wins, I'm going to send this thing out the next day. Make sure you watch these videos in the future. Alright, the winner is DirtRoad Diesel. So I'm going to click on his YouTube. Make sure you go follow him and subscribe to him here on YouTube. I'm guessing his Instagram, he already said he follows me on both. So DirtRoad Diesel, you won. That will be put in the description of this video. And so congratulations to you. And I'm about to do another giveaway here shortly. It'll probably be a light bar or something like that. And so make sure you guys are subscribed so you can get entered in the next giveaway. It's actually about 100 pounds, just the hitch itself. It's like 110 pounds, and then with everything else down there, it was like 150 pounds shipping weight. So it's not light. But I had to go grab the keys to get the old lock out, and then I'm gonna put the new one in. Do these strut braces, and should be on our way. Alrighty guys, we are done putting the hitch on. It took a little longer because I had to drill some stuff, but there's what it looks like. It's pretty sweet looking actually. I ended up just bolting it up in there, the frame, but yeah, pretty heavy duty hitch here. 2 balls there, LOL. 2 up top, and I think a 2 5/16 at the bottom, which I'm gonna probably have to switch these around for the boat. What else we got? I gotta put this pin in right here, which is right there, and then really I'm ready to go. Really, we got about a 150-mile run over to Madison, Florida, which won't be a bad trip, but yeah, it's a beast. Look at this. Should tow pretty good, hopefully. This is a lot of weight I'm gonna be towing. But yeah, talked to a few other people that have towed this boat. And some people use F250s, 2500s. They said it tows fine. Ideally, not lifted. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully these devers and the wheels can hold up to the weight. Shouldn't be too crazy as far as tongue weight, so I'm not really worried about that. It's just I gotta make sure the trailer brakes and everything works, because it's up just under 15,000 pounds, what everyone's saying, loaded down. So for the factory, that's probably a little more than this thing was even meant to do. It's got a little bit more horsepower now, stronger transmission, and but I don't know, we lost a little bit for, I would say, payload because of the rear springs and stuff, but I'm not too concerned. I think we'll be good. Alright guys, well, we got a flat tire. Not on the truck, on the trailer. The middle on the middle axle. There's 3 axles on the trailer, so one blew out. We kind of were watching it on the way home. Decided to let go, and bad move on my part. I usually have tools in the truck. Of course I don't. So we are just gonna have AAA real quick come and bring us some tools or whatever they want to do, jack the trailer up for us, and should be on our way here soon. But other than that, this thing is towing like a dream. Fuel economy is pretty horrible, but other than that, about 100 miles, 120 miles in so far, and it's been great. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this fixed, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit.
cold dolly, so we're gonna have tire problem.
It's bad.
So
I probably just put a plug in it.
huh?
We probably just plug it.
Plug it.
A little fix a flat.
Yeah, fix a flat. We need more than fix a flat right now, don't we? Doc?
I think we need a whole tire. I think. I don't know.
Lunchtown gas station. We're just.
Alright, so we are waiting on the guy to come back with a bigger impact because his other impact was not strong enough to break these things loose. So that's sweet. Waiting on him to get back, break these loose, put that spare, probably can't see it, put that spare on, and we should be on our way again. Hopefully we get no problems. But as you guys can see, this thing's a monster. I mean, makes my truck look like a little baby. But we will get home tonight. We're only about 45 minutes to an hour away, I think, and we should be good to go. It shouldn't be a big deal. But I'll tell you right now, knock on wood, this thing is towing incredible. This new hitch, this Genie hitch, Gen Y hitch. There's the big torsion bars up there, you can see. And it's towing like a dream, really. Smoking. Good smoke. Oh my god, this thing is massive. It's bigger, look how taller than my house. Look at my dad going around there. Let's go see. The old gal did good. Hey, how are the tires? Are your tires good? Oh my god. Hey, one sec, I'm gonna turn the lights on out here. One sec, fellas. Unhook the rig. It is massive. I don't know if the video does it justice, but whatever. The truck did awesome, unreal. There's the spare right there in the middle. It needs a new hub. We're gonna do all new hubs on this. This thing gets a fresh detail tomorrow, and after it's detailed, I'm gonna show you guys everything on it and go over everything and do everything like that. So, all right, guys, I am beyond impressed with the old Duramax. Now it's nothing too crazy as far as weight goes, but you know, 15,000 pounds is pretty heavy for any truck, let alone a truck that's on a 10-inch lift, 14 wides, spacers in the rear, and you know, on 40s. So here's the it's hard to tell from this angle how big it actually is. Let's see if we can get a better. Here's my house. It's about almost as tall as the damn house. Like I said, I'm gonna go over it a little bit more, but I just wanted to kind of take you guys along for the ride. The hitch is sweet. Genie hitch, Gen Y hitch, whatever it's called. I'm sorry, I was never told how you say it. So, but either way, that's probably one of the best hitches I've ever used. So I'm gonna show you guys the footage of the GoPro I got of this thing being towed, and kind of show you the Genie hitch in action, kind of show you how it works and what it was doing, and just kind of show you how the boat was being towed. miles to the gallon, maybe a little bit less than that. I did about 160 miles. We just towed this thing, and I mean, yeah, that's not good for fuel economy, but I'm towing more than that truck's rated to tow, even in its factory form. So if you guys are ready for some fishing videos, like I said, when this thing is all cleaned up at the marina, I want to go through it, show you guys around, and I'm excited to make some future videos of this thing. I think it's going to be great. I got some work to do tonight on it. Got to pull some decals off and some stripes. I got to pull like this stuff, not the black one, but this gray one off. You can see it's kind of missing some spots. I got to pull the regulator sign off, and then I got to pull this off. This is not, the previous owner had it named Real Livin'. I think the boat's going to be named like Hard Nibbles or something like that. Or I have another one, but I'm not going to reveal that one just yet. Got to pull that stuff off. I got to pull the old stickers off, which you can tell someone tried to, I believe. Yeah, someone tried to, did not work. Here is the aftermath of the blow tire. Here's the spare. It's now in the spare spot. Let me turn this around real quick. So here is the spare, as you can see, all ripped to shreds. Sweet, ripped to shreds. So what we're going to be doing, we are going to do all new hubs. We found out that the middle one that we had to replace the tire on, that hub was shot. We're going to do all new tires, all new hubs, and we're going to rewire the whole trailer. We had to do some rigging when we picked the trailer up today, because it was not working properly like it was supposed to be. There's a few things on the boat that were supposed to be working that were written in the bill of sale and all that were supposed to be working at the day of the purchase and are not working. So that kind of sucks, but it's all pretty minimal stuff. You know, windlass works, navigation lights all work. So overall, it is a straight up monster though. Look at that thing. But yeah, excited to start doing videos with it and do some sweet fishing content and all that. So